How to unlock new helicopters in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game and you will see helicopter on the home screen along with its level and health points. You can use the arrow buttons to switch between different helicopters. Next, check the unlock requirements for each helicopter. Some helicopters are unlocked by reaching a certain player level, while others require completing specific mission or using in-game currency, coins, or special keys. Make sure to review these requirements carefully so you know what needs to be done to unlock your desired helicopter. Once you meet the requirements, select the helicopter and tap on the unlock button. The new helicopter will be added to your collection and you can immediately start upgrading and using it in missions. In my case, you can see the helicopters I have unlocked by completing missions. Remember, unlocking new helicopters gives you access to better weapon, faster speed and stronger armor, making it easier to complete difficult missions. Try to unlock helicopters based on your gameplay style and mission needs to maximize your performance. Finally, test your new helicopter in a mission to experience its capabilities and take full advantage of its feature. Now you know how to unlock new helicopters in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.